Hi, this is Lisa Gendy. I'm from Purpose Driven Therapy. Just wanted to remind you that we have our balance and dizziness workshop coming up on Wednesday at 6:30, and there's still some spots available. So if you would like to learn a little bit about some balance basics and what to look for if you are worried that you or a loved one might have some balance loss, some simple ways to screen for that. Also, we'll be doing a balance screen with everyone there. And then also some little things that we can do to work on our balance. I'll give you 3 strategies to keep working on that. So if you're interested, if you have or a loved one has concerns about losing their balance or falling, or if you want to know a little bit more about dizziness and where that comes from and what to look for to know if that's something that you need some help with, please register to come to our workshop on Wednesday at 6:30. Thank you.